India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with AAKASH BYJUS. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
So as you all know कि last year we collaborated with BYJUS, an edtech giant. So with the amalgamation we have the expertise of offline and they have the expertise of online. So with the both amalgamation of online and offline, so this is a complete boon to all of our students. We are here for the launch of AUDIPREP. So this is an innovative and unique product which we are going to offer to our students. This is actually an audio book which will podcast all our essence, all our contents of study packages and different type of things to our student. Just go to website, go to our आकाश ऐप, वहाँ पर क्लिक करें और एक पूरा प्रोसेस हमने बच्चों को समझा रखा है कि we have to use our study package, at the same time we have to listen what has been podcasted by the AUDIPREP. So it's completely free of cost for our internal students for now. हमारा जो भी USP अभी तक रहा है ऑफलाइन एक्सपर्टीज़ में वो एज इट इज़ कंटिन्यू है. अभी तक क्या होता था कि अगर बच्चे को आकाश से कोई भी सर्विस लेनी है तो उसे हमारे क्लासरूम में आना पड़ता था या उसके पास एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म था हमारा आई ट्यूटर प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ से वो विजुअलाइज कर सारी चीज़ों को देख सकता था और वहाँ पर जो भी कंटेंट है उसका एक्सेस उसे मिल सकता था. बट दिस विल बी अ यूनिक ऑफरिंग फ्रॉम आकाश. अगर उन्हें घर पर भी सुनना है, कहीं ट्रैवल करते हुए सुनना है, वो इस ऑडियो चूँकि दिस इज़ अ सिंपल पॉडकास्ट.
लाइक वी आर हैविंग 2 branches at Goa. One of which is located at Panjim branch and the other one is located at Margaon branch. And also at the same time we are having some tie-ups at 3 locations. One is at St. Brito's, Mapsa and GVM Ponda, and we are running one extension center at Vasco also.